Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Mary, and on this channel we break down real income ideas, legit online opportunities, and the truth behind trading money creams. No hype, no scams. Lately, people have been asking, is WhatsApp paying now? Can you earn money with WhatsApp channels? Is WhatsApp a new income stream in 2026? So guys, in this video, I am going to answer these questions honestly and clearly, and I'll also show you real ways people are using WhatsApp to make money. Does WhatsApp pay users directly? Let's be upfront. No, WhatsApp does not pay users money just for using the app, chatting or posting content. WhatsApp itself does not have a program where you get paid just for being on it. So if you hear people say WhatsApp pays per message, WhatsApp pays per views, WhatsApp pays for posting, that is not true. Let's look at the WhatsApp channels. Now to the exciting part. Recently, WhatsApp introduced WhatsApp channels. WhatsApp channels are broadcast-only spaces where creators and brands can share messages, updates, and content with many followers. Kind of like a one-to-one mini feed. But the big question is, does WhatsApp channels pay you money? Can WhatsApp channels make money? The honest answer is no, not directly from WhatsApp. WhatsApp does not currently pay creators for being on channels like TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram Reels might. So, just posting on WhatsApp channels won't send money into your account. But here is the important part. Channels can be used as a tool to make money indirectly. So, how are people making money with WhatsApp channels? Even though WhatsApp doesn't pay you, there are real ways people turn channels into income. This is by promoting your services. If you're a freelancer, a coach, a consultant, or a seller, you can use WhatsApp channel to share tips, to build trust, and convert followers into paying customers. For example, you can see someone advertising, join my WhatsApp channel for daily business tips. People will trust you, and some buy your paid courses or services. The other way you can turn WhatsApp channel into income is this: by driving traffic to other platforms. Creators often refer their followers through their WhatsApp channel to YouTube, blogs, email lists, paid programs. That way, they get more audience. Another way is affiliate marketing via channels. You can share affiliate links in your WhatsApp channel. When your followers click those links and buy something, you earn a commission. And so again, you are paid by the affiliate program, not the WhatsApp. You can also use WhatsApp channel for brand growth. Creators with big channels get recognition, authority, and trust. And that helps them get brand deals, sponsorships, or business deals off WhatsApp. And then another very important part, avoid scams. If someone contacts you on WhatsApp and says, join this WhatsApp job that pays daily, send money to unlock WhatsApp earnings, get WhatsApp salary for chatting, that is a scam territory. WhatsApp does not have a program that pays for joining channels or sending messages or unlocking income. So be careful, protect your money and data. As I conclude, guys, to answer the big questions clearly, does WhatsApp pay its users money? No, not directly. Does WhatsApp channels pay? No, not directly from WhatsApp. Can you use WhatsApp or WhatsApp channels to earn money? Yes, indirectly by promoting services, affiliate offers, and building an audience. WhatsApp is a powerful communication and promotion tool. not a payment platform. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest income breakdowns, and let me know in the comment section below. Are you using WhatsApp channels for business already? Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!